This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the bonnet safety catch located under the bonnet to release it. Open the bonnet and engage the bonnet support stay to secure it in the open position. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment, as viewed from the driver's seat, on a platform above the transmission. Loosen the clamp nut, then detach the earth lead from the battery negative earth terminal post. This is the terminal to disconnect before working on or disconnecting any electrical component on the car. Position the lead away from the battery. Fit a piece of rubber to insulate the terminal post to prevent accidental reconnection. Pivot up the plastic cover from the positive terminal, then loosen the positive lead clamp nut. Detach the positive lead from the terminal and position it away from the battery. Where fitted, remove the insulation from around the battery. Then, using a socket on an extension bar, undo the retaining nut and remove the battery clamp. Lift out the battery, keeping it as level as possible. Take care because the battery is heavy. The new battery can now be installed in the vehicle. Refit the battery clamp and tighten the retaining nut securely. Lift up the insulating cap and reconnect the battery positive terminal. Make sure that the clamp nut is tightened securely. Then remove the insulator and connect the battery negative terminal. Make sure that the clamp nut is tightened securely.